If your organization has multiple CAD users or multiple sites, you'll appreciate having options to work efficiently. DraftSight Enterprise includes all the features of DraftSight Professional with network licensing and support. DraftSight Enterprise Plus includes all the capabilities of DraftSight Enterprise with the addition of 3D DWG file-based design and 2D constraints to effortlessly go from 2D drafting to 3D modeling within the same environment. DraftSight integrates seamlessly with SolidWorks solutions and services and the 3D Experience platform. The best part? DraftSight Enterprise and Enterprise Plus take the work out of transitioning with full support and deployment. So let's consider your opportunity. World-class CAD with robust 2D drafting and choices in 3D design, network licensing, and cloud connectivity.